We'll guide you through how to make an Automix playlist in Spotify. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create playlists that feel seamless and professionally mixed without much effort. First, turn on your computer or mobile device and connect it to a stable internet connection. Next, open the Spotify app on your device and log into your Spotify account using your username and password. Wait for the home screen to fully load before proceeding so all features are accessible. After that, go to your library to access your playlists and click on Create Playlist to make a new playlist. Enter a name for your playlist and add a description if desired. Then open the newly created playlist to begin adding content. Click on the Add Songs button to start adding music and search for songs, artists, or albums you want included. Add multiple songs that match a similar mood or genre for better Automix results and a smoother listening experience. Once you have added songs, go to the playback screen and look for the Now Playing bar at the bottom of the screen. Click on the currently playing song to expand the player view. Then find the Enhance or Smart Shuffle feature if it is available on your account. Turn on Smart Shuffle to allow Spotify to automatically insert recommended tracks into your playlist. To adjust settings, click on your profile icon and go to Settings. Then scroll to Playback and toggle on Autoplay similar songs. Next, enable the Autoplay feature in Settings so music continues with similar songs after your playlist ends. Return to your playlist and start playing it from the first track, allowing Spotify to automatically mix in additional songs based on your playlist. Use the queue to review or remove suggested tracks if needed, and save any recommended songs you like directly into your playlist. Continue listening to ensure the recommendations fit your preferences and skip any tracks that do not match your desired style. Over time, Spotify will learn your taste and improve its suggestions automatically. You can revisit your playlist later to rearrange songs, remove tracks, or add new ones to keep the mix fresh and enjoyable for future listening sessions. Make sure to regularly update it so it stays relevant always.